so now we're going to be using my favorite method in any operation ever, which is the box area model for multiplication. So if we have a 2-digit multiplication number, the box area model is going to clearly illustrate the distributive property and why we must multiply every single part of the problem. So instead of just going, to the ones and then crossing over, which is more like steps that students kind of just look at, well, that's what you have to repeat to get the number. This box area model is clearly going to show you why you are doing those distributive steps to get the answer. So we're going to start at the top with 40 and 5, because 40 plus 5 equals 45, which is up here. And then at the bottom we're going to do 20 and then 8, because there's a 2 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. This plus this, that equals 28. And we're gonna make our boxes. Sorry, I'm looking through the camera, so this is actually harder to write when you can't see the paper, even though you can see the camera for some reason. So forgive me if this is a little bit sloppy. Okay. Oh, probably should wall that off. Okay, so we have 20 times 40, which is 800, because 4 times 2 is 8, and then you add the 2 zeros, so it's 800. And so then we have 20 times 5, which is 100, because 5 times 2 is 10, and then just add that 0, that's 100. And so then we have 40 times 8, so 4 times 8 is 32, and just add that 0 down, that's 320. And so then we have 8 times 5, which that is just 40. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add up all the new numbers in the area box. So 800 plus 320 plus 100 plus 40. So I'm just gonna start with those. That's 140. 100 plus 40, that's 140. And then 800 plus 320 is 0 to 1120. So then add that up, 1120 plus 140, that'd be 0, 6, 2, 1. So our final answer is 1,260. And that's how we solve a multiplication problem, a 2-digit multiplication problem, with the box area method.